All right, boys and girls, day 4 of week 3 daily math. It says round 16,311 to the nearest thousands. I'm going to do a number line for this one. And then I also need to think about what number is in the thousands place. And when I'm looking at it, it's a 6. So I know I'm either going to round to 16,000. I'm either going to keep the 6 the same, or I'm going to round up to 17,000. So those are my only two answer choices. It's either going to be 16,000 or 17,000. The halfway mark between 16,000 and 17,000 will help me with my decision. So the halfway mark is 16,500. That number is right in the middle of 16,000 and 17,000. Now I'm going to go back to my original problem. My original number is 16,311. So I found my number. I'm going to look next door. The number next to it is a 3. So if it's a 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, it goes on the left side of my halfway mark. And anything on the left side, we're going to round down. Anything on the halfway mark or on the right side, we round up. So 16,311 is probably about right here. So this number is closer to 16,000. So I'm going to round down. So my answer is 16,000. Also, another little trick is when you find your number, you know that all the numbers behind it are going to become zeros. You just have to decide if the number that you underlined is going to stay the same, or is it going to add one more, become a 7 in this case. All right, let's look at our second problem. 44 plus 15. I'm going to rewrite this so that they're stacked on top of each other. 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 plus 1 is 5. So our answer is 59. I'm going to rewrite this number where that they're stacked on top of each other. Two minus 0 is 2. 8 minus 3 is 5. The answer is 52. Also remember, with addition, it doesn't matter which number goes on top or the bottom because of the commutative property. However, subtraction does not have the commutative property. You must put the top number must be the larger number, and the bottom number must be the smaller number, at least for in 4th grade. All right, our next problem are reviews of multiplication. So 2 times 9 is 18. 9 times 2 is the same because remember, multiplication uses the commutative property, which means you can switch the order of the factors and still get the same product. 8 times 2 is 16. All right, so we have the less than, greater than, or equal to statement. Make this statement true. So I'm going to first compare my hundreds. They're the same. So now I'm going to compare my tens. They are not the same. This number has a 2 in the tens place, and 2 is bigger than 1. So 626 is greater than 616. All right, boys and girls, I hope you completed all your math work for this week. See you next week for Daily Math.